Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chicken Caesar salad wrap. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of cooked chicken, 1 head of fresh romaine lettuce, and your favorite Caesar dressing. Don't forget large flour tortillas, some grated parmesan cheese, and a handful of crunchy croutons. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our main components ready. Take your cooked chicken breast and either shred it into bite-sized pieces or dice it evenly. For the lettuce, wash 1 head of romaine thoroughly under cool water. It's crucial to pat the lettuce completely dry with a paper towel or use a salad spinner. This step prevents your wrap from becoming watery and ensures a delightful crunch. It's time to build our masterpiece. Lay 1 large flour tortilla flat on a clean, dry surface. Spread approximately 2 tablespoons of your creamy Caesar dressing across the center, leaving about 1 inch clear around the edges. Next, add a generous half cup of your chopped romaine lettuce and an equal amount of chicken. Finish with about 1 tablespoon of grated parmesan and a sprinkle of crushed croutons. The final step is rolling your wrap perfectly. First, fold in the 2 opposite sides of the tortilla, about 1 inch each, towards the center. Then, starting from the bottom, roll the tortilla upwards, keeping it as snug and tight as possible. Once rolled, slice your wrap in half diagonally. This makes it much easier to handle and enjoy. Serve your delicious creation immediately for the best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.